Racing our DTM GT3 series at Nurburgring coming up next. Welcome back once again, slot car fans, to another exciting night in our GT3 DTM race league. And tonight we've got a special treat, for we will be racing right down here at the Nurburgring circuit. This is one of those great big tracks that I've got over on our Patreon page, and if you want to build it, don't forget to check out our masterclass link coming up underneath the German flag here at the end of the race. And don't forget that we're also giving away this great Carrera tow truck, and that will be coming up in the video down here at the end. For all those great details, what we need to get is 5,000 subscribers over on our Madcap Romanian site. So far we almost have 4,200, so it won't be very long until we can start giving this thing away. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And write in the comments down below who you are rooting for to win this league. It doesn't have to be me. Rosie is in again. I'm in. Mark, Howard, Glenn, and Kevin. Getting 6 people again. So which one out of those 6 do you think is gonna win our league? Stay tuned and find out as we go through the next couple of months. So without further ado, let's go down to the races. So here we are at Nurburgring with our DTM GT3 league.
Oh no! I can get it. Please get it.
Well, there's something on the track there, a mirror.
Mirror?
Yeah, just on the inside of that. Oh, okay. It showed underneath there. It's under here now. You will have to put that anywhere. 3 laps. We've got Glenn, Howard, Rosie, Mark, and myself.
Race cars get warmed up and the track might be a little different. I didn't decide mine.
Oh, that's it. And here's our scoreboard for the evening. I got 23 points, Rosie got 28, Howard got 53, Kevin was not around, Mark got 44 points, and Glenn got 52. It was not my race this time around. So let's see how this affects our standings. And here's our league standings so far. In 6th place we have Rosie with 28 points, in 5th is Kevin with 30, Mark is in 4th place with 70. I'm in 3rd with 101. Howard is 2nd with 148. And Glenn is in 1st with 175. Way to go, everybody. We'll see you next week at Zandvoort. Well, I hope you enjoyed that great race. And is your driver winning in our league? I hope so. Next week we'll be racing once more with our DTM GT3 cars, so you do not want to miss that. And you also don't want to miss your chance of getting into the giveaway contest for this amazing Carrera tow truck. It has a drop-down tailgate which hooks up to any Carrera car. It's got a horn and it's got flashing lights, so you would want this in your slot car track set. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share over at our Madcap Romanian channel. And the link to this great contest is right down here at the end of the video. And if you want to build Nurburgring, come and support us over on Patreon, and I will teach you how to build it in our masterclass coming up in this video up here. And until next time, slot car race fans, happy racing.